Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Well, I woke up to this today. Apparently, hubby decided he was going to do those long-awaited projects. All within the same week, apparently. So the driveway is being replaced.
I guess he spoke to Donnie this morning.
Yeah. Did you move that plant?
Yeah, I did.
Where'd you put it?
On the side of the house.
Look at the size of that, George, quick. Look at the size of it.
That.
Damn.
One nothing at all.
And there's some siding on the front of the house that has been warped for years now. And he decided to replace that as well. Replaced the gutters. And also took down some more tree branches and trees and everything, all within a matter of days. There's a lot going on Greenwood. A lot going on Greenwood.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Meanwhile, I have the little one who's here, my garden girl, who just loves yard work. And she's here helping out during the week, and I absolutely love it for her. I love it for me too, because she really does help. And she keeps me on my toes, but I love that she likes to be in the yard.
Madison M's working hard.
Now you can stop calling me Madison M.
I can?
You can stop only when Madison are around.
Oh.
Did we dig this one?
Yes, we did.
Oh my god.
So,
Work or no?
yeah, it did.
Does it still work?
Yes,
Do we need to give this all the water?
probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
Why are you taking a video?
She's moving, Missy. We're not putting your face in. Okay, make sure you get the water. That's good. Oh, you're missing it. That one.
Did he overflow yesterday? Since I didn't remember to tell him that I wanted his grape.
He didn't water them at all yesterday.
Why?
Thumbs up this video if you know anyone or a little one who likes gardening and yard work. I don't think it's never too early to get them started. She absolutely loves to be out here. Every day she comes over, she says, "You got any yard work?" So funny.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
But she's done a lot. She loves moving rocks and stuff too, as you can see. But anyway, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join us over at Life on Greenwood. And for my returning friends, thank you so, so much.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Push, push, push.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, go ahead. Watch your fingers. Make sure that's in first. Lift it up a little bit.
Come on, Kit.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Hit it a little bit in the middle. You mean enough legs?
Yeah, because this one has none on it, and there's only one left. Where's the other one?
Gotta be here somewhere.
Oh,
There
there
it
we
is.
go. Found it.
Duh.
Didn't know it was right behind.
Okay. All right, we're almost finished.
I guess what is it nighttime?
Not yet.
How long is this going to be?
I don't know. We have 2 more to go. You wanted to do them.
Because it was my idea.
It was your idea. So you did a good job of pushing that back. So that's pretty clear.
Are you talking to yourself?
I'm talking to the people in YouTube. The people in the YouTube streets.
So they can literally hear my voice?
Yes, they can.
That's crazy.
Yep, they can hear your voice. All right. They can admire the fence that you put up. Okay. Hit the other end.
Am I showing a dent in here?
Yeah, I think you are. You're not supposed to hit it too hard.
Like that?
Hit that end so it goes down.
This?
Yes. That's 10 feet.
Holy cow.
Holy cow, she says. That's it for today. You got the fence up. It's 10 feet. Looks pretty good.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
That is the garden that me and the little one worked on yesterday, covered with branches. Hubby assures me that they are going to clear that out. So. Thank you so much for coming to Life on Greenwood, and I will see you all